Hi there, I'm Sabina from Eli-Chem Resins, and today we are privileged to be here at the Wycliffe Gallery in Weybridge, Surrey. This is one of the UK's most successful art galleries, as it carries works from the world's leading artists. We asked if we could video our new totalCAST artwork resin here, and they said yes. Come on, let's dive right in. Follow me. Hi Tash, lovely to see you again.
Hi Sabine, it's good to be back. I've been working a lot with totalCAST lately and I can't wait to show you just how fantastic it is.
Wow, okay, can't wait to see you in action. totalCAST is our latest clear resin for artists. It is a hybrid material that combines the latest developments in polymer technology. This is our clearest and safest resin ever. To show how crystal clear totalCAST is, you are looking through a 1/2-inch thick disc. Welcome to the next level of Clear Artwork Resins. Before you work with any resin, you should observe good industrial hygiene. Make sure you have good ventilation and wear gloves. Always cover your work surface to prevent spills and mess. Ensure your artwork is level. You don't need a face mask or respirator because this new resin has no smell at all and is non-toxic. It's also VOC-free and solvent-free. And it's incredible how crystal clear both resin and hardener bottles are. The clever technical people in the lab have also added air release agents that expel the bubbles better than any other resin, and totalCAST needs less heat to give a perfect finish. The guys at Eli-Chem have made a very safe and user-friendly product here. Here's the equipment you will need to get working with totalCAST. totalCAST Clear Artwork Resin and Hardener, mixing tool, comes free with the kit, plastic mixing jug or container, blowtorch or heat gun, cloth in case of spillage, protect work surface from spills, plastic sheeting is ideal, disposable gloves, your artwork.
Okay, let's get started. Measure out equal parts of resin and hardener in a 1:1 mix ratio. Mix for 2 to 3 minutes, scrape the inside walls of the mixing jug while stirring. Pour the resin over your artwork, see how the colours come alive, brighter and more vivid. The resin is self-levelling but can be dragged to the edges using a flat edge spreader. Apply heat over the resin surface to remove mixing bubbles. The curing time will be 4 to 8 hours depending on ambient temperature. Here's our finished piece.
Wow, that's amazing. And it's so simple to do. The benefits of totalCAST are, can be used on all art surfaces, canvas, wood, MDF, dye bond and photographs. It can also be used to cover acrylic paint, oil paint, watercolours and enamels. Cutting edge polymer technology, VOC-free, no volatile organic compounds, so it's safe. Solvent-free, zero odour, non-flammable, non-toxic, simple mix ratio, non-yellowing properties, can be shipped by air, sea or road freight, better optical clarity, the hardener is as clear as the resin, less bubbles, the additives or air release agents expel the air from the resin, even better UV protection, more environmentally conscious and user-friendly. totalCAST is just the start of your resin art journey. It's a great resin to add pigment to. Why not try out our Resi Tint for some great effects? Resi Tint is a range of polymer pigments and currently there are 17 colours available. Simply add some drops to your totalCAST, mix and apply to your art surface. Once you've pigmented your resin, it's time to check out our latest arrival, Resi Blast. Resi Blast is a single part interference media that reacts with wet, coloured resin to create stunning, unique effects.
If you are new to resin art and want an easy and cost-effective way to test it out, then take a look at our Twin Pack Sachet Tester Pack. With this unique system, there is no need to measure the two parts, it's all done for you. Just squash, open and pour. Very clever.
To find out more about Eli-Chem and our great range of products, please see our website and social media pages for more information. Thank you.